SnapEval supports organization-wide goals and values that apply to everyone in the company. SnapEval also supports goals that are specific to members of a department, team, job function, or even an individual. Goal areas are used in both snaps and performance summaries. While different individuals may have unique goals based on their department, team, or job function, each individual has the same goal areas when receiving snaps or performance summaries. Let's create an organization-wide goal. We'll start by clicking on Administration in the navigation menu, and then Manage Goals/Skills. Currently, we have 4 organization-wide goal areas: Communications, Customer Satisfaction, Dependability, and Job Knowledge/Competence. These 4 goal areas apply to everyone in the organization when they receive snaps and performance summaries. To add a new goal area, we'll click on the Add New Goal link. The new goal name is Initiative. We'll also add a description for the goal area. We can also select a goal weight. The weight for a goal area can be set to any value from 1 to 100. The higher the weight, the more important the goal. A goal with a weight of 100 is twice as important as another goal with a weight of 50, and is 100 times more important than a goal with a weight of 1. Goal weights are used exclusively for calculating an overall achievement score for an employee's performance summary. We'll leave the weight of this goal as 1. We'll then click the Submit button to add this new goal area. Initiative has now been added as a new goal area. Achievement levels are used when creating snaps and in performance summaries. Now, let's see how achievement levels can be configured in SnapEval. We'll start by clicking on the Manage Achievement Levels link in the navigation menu. This opens the Manage Achievement Levels page. The lowest achievement level is Achievement Level 1. Each achievement level includes a name and a description. The name and description for each achievement level can be customized for the organization. If we scroll to the bottom of the page, the highest level of achievement is displayed. SnapEval supports 3, 4, or 5 levels of achievement. To eliminate an achievement level, we could click the Remove Achievement button. It will incrementally remove one achievement level each time it's clicked. In addition to the popular Needs Improvement to Exceptional achievement levels, numerous customers use Stop, Start, and Continue as their 3 levels of achievement. To save any changes, we would click the Submit button. In SnapEval, a group is a collection of individuals, such as a department, job function, team, or even a single individual. Individuals can be assigned as members of multiple groups. Goals can be set for a group, which are automatically assigned to all members of the group. Examples include department goals, job competencies, and individual goals. To create, manage, or remove groups, we'll click on the Manage Groups link in the navigation menu. This opens the Manage Groups page. Groups can be created automatically or manually. We configured our SnapEval instance to automatically create an individual group for each employee and their managers to automatically be assigned as group administrators for the employee's individual group. When integrated with ADP, department and job function groups can also be automatically created and populated with members based on their department and job function assignments in ADP. When creating a group manually, we recommend using a naming convention so that the same type of groups will be listed together in SnapEval dashboards. Let's do this for the Finance Department group. We'll start by clicking on the Edit Group link for the Finance group. We can then update the group name to Department:"Finance." We'll click the Submit button to save our changes. Let's make the same update for the Human Resources Department. Now, let's create a new group for the sales department. We'll start by clicking on the Create New Groups button. We'll then add the group name of Department:"Sales." A description is required for each group. A typical description for this group would be all individuals in the sales department. We'll click the Submit button to save our inputs. Notice how the department groups are listed together and the individual groups are listed together. Now, let's look at how members and group administrators are assigned to groups. Assigning group members and group administrators can be done from the perspective of a specific user or a specific group. First, let's look at group assignments from the perspective of a user. Kelly Jordan is an account executive. We can update the groups that she's assigned to by clicking on the Edit Groups link by her name. All of the groups in the organization are listed in this table. Kelly was automatically assigned as a member of her own individual group. Since she's an account executive, we'll also assign her as a member of the Department:"Sales" group. We'll then click the Save button to save our changes. Now, let's assign a group administrator for the finance department. To start, we'll click on the Manage Members link for the finance department. Cheryl Johnson is the VP of Finance, so we'll assign her as a group administrator for the Department:"Finance" group. This table can be quite large as it lists all of the users assigned to SnapEval, so we'll use the search feature to quickly find Cheryl Johnson. We'll then check the Group Administrator checkbox by Cheryl's name to assign her as a group administrator for the finance department. To save our changes, we'll click the Save button. In SnapEval, goals can be created for a group. Group-level goals automatically apply to all members of the group and are often used to specify department goals, job competencies, or individual goals. Let's set a group-specific goal for all members of the sales department. To start, we'll click on the Manage Group Goals link for the Department:"Sales" group. Each group-level goal is a subordinate or child goal to an organization-wide goal area. The concept is that each group-level goal is in support of an organization-wide goal or value. This approach is called two-tier cascaded goals. For members of the sales department, we'll start by selecting the organization-wide parent goal of communications. We'll then add the group-level goal of answer phone within 3 rings. An optional description of up to 10,000 characters could be included. A weight for this group-level goal could also be specified. The weight of a goal can be set from 1 to 100, with higher numbers for more important goals. Goal weights do not have to total a value of 100 for a group or individual. A goal weight is simply a relative measure of the importance of a goal versus any other goals. A goal with a weight of 50 is 5 times more important than a goal with a weight of 10, and 50 times more important than a goal with a weight of 1. Goal weights are only used in the automatic calculation of an overall performance score in an employee's performance summary. The weight of a group-level goal overrides the weight of its parent goal in the performance summary calculation. Let's add another group-level goal. While we could create another group-level goal related to the organization-wide goal area of communications, this time let's pick dependability. The group-level goal name will be Spell Check All Documents. We could click the Submit button to create these 2 new group-level goals. However, let's add one more special purpose group-level goal instead. To do this, we'll again click the Add Goal button. In some organizations, not all organization-wide goals are applicable to everyone in the company. In our organization, Let's say that the organization-wide goal of initiative doesn't apply to all members of the sales department. We can configure this setting by selecting initiative as the organization-wide parent goal. We'll then add a group-level goal name. Since this group-level goal won't be displayed for snaps or performance summaries, let's simply make it N/A for not applicable. To exclude the organization-wide goal area of initiative for all members of this group, we'll check the Mask Display of this goal to group checkbox. Finally, we'll click the Submit button to save our group-level goals for the sales department. Now, let's see how these group-level goals look for a member of the sales department. Since 360-degree feedback is enabled, we can go to the org chart to select a team member to receive a snap. Kelly Jordan is an account executive and is a member of the Department:*Sales group. Let's select Kelly to receive a snap by clicking on the three dots in the lower right-hand corner of her node, and then clicking on the Create Snap pop-up. Notice how Kelly has the goal area of Communications-Answer Phone Within 3 Rings because she's a member of the Sales Department group. If we had included a description for the group-level goal, it would have been displayed here, right after the description for the organization-wide goal area of Communications. The other Sales Department group-level goal of Spell Check All Documents is shown in conjunction with its parent goal of Dependability. Notice that Initiative is excluded from Kelly Jordan's list of user goals because we masked this organization-wide goal area for all members of the sales department. Now, let's look at the goal areas for a team member who isn't a member of the sales department. We'll return to the org chart by clicking on the org chart link in the navigation menu. Let's select George Thompson, who isn't a member of the sales department group. Notice that Initiative is included with George's user goals. Also notice that the sales department's group-level goals associated with dependability and communications aren't included in George's user goals. Creating group-level goals and assigning users to groups makes the process of creating and managing department goals, job competencies, and individual goals for each user very easy.